Hello everyone, I am Ronit Chaudhary from Teshwa University and today I am going to show the prototype of my app WeConnect which is made for the SIH problem statement 25093 which is to develop centralized digital platform for comprehensive student activity record in higher education institutes. So the app that I have developed is for higher education institutes itself, and it's to develop an interconnectivity between them. It's not just limited to the student activity tracking, but it also provides students with various other opportunities, other interactive features, and other opportunities. So I would be going through this app one by one now. So this is the landing page for our app, and this is the feed. So this is the starting point for all the new users. Whenever a person joins our app, they will be in this personal workspace. So here they can visit other entities and see what entities exist in this network. Currently, I have made a demo for Teshwa University, and all of these departments and schools and everything are mentioned here. So we have developed an hierarchical system for every institute. So here we have Teshwa University as the root. The School of Engineering, School of Humanities are under them. And then we have the various departments and clubs under this school. So this hierarchical system is here. And also one of our other unique feature is that we have made a separate workspace for whatever institute or network that you are part of. So we can switch it from here. And as you can see, a Teshwa University gets its own separate network. Now, if we switch our feed to this network, so it's a separate page, and like this workspace is quite independent to the entire app. If we wish, we can shift this to a new website or a different standalone app also. So this is one of the key features. So here we can see the institutes and the various sub entities that it has under it. For example, let's go on the School of Engineering. So we can see the various departments that are part of the School of Engineering. Similarly, if we go back and if we let's say visit Students Activity Center. So in Students Activity Center, we can see the various kinds of clubs that exist in this university. And these things are completely customizable. So this is one of the things. Then next we have a feed where the students can post and discuss various things. And this feed is completely limited to the university itself. So this is a unique thing for the students and for the university campus and the stakeholders. This is limited to them. Then here we can see the various different members in the same group. Right now it's in the prototype stage, so we don't have them. But yeah, so here we can see the pending invites and requests. So whenever someone wants to join, a request is sent here. And if we invite someone, then that invites also we can see here. So this is the activity center, and this is open for the activity center. It's similarly available for all the different kinds of entities under the Tishma University. So whenever new students join, it's quite possible that we can just directly invite them and they can join our platform from day one. And from day one, we can interact with them and have a community for them. Then next we have events. This event is one of the key thing that we are developing to solve the problem that we were given. So in events, we have an option to register for various events. So currently it's in prototype, so I will not be able to show all the working features that we are thinking of and developing. But yeah, so for the events, what we can do is that we can register in various events, and every events we have an option to see like who are the participants, who are the people in charge, the admins, and then also there can be a system to give awards to the winners. And through the event participation, any departments or clubs can create this event. So suppose any conference is happening, any event, any activity, any competition, they can create an event here also to manage the students' data, participation data, attendance, everything. And at the end of the event, everyone can receive their certificates or badges or participation certificates or the winning prize certificate, everything through this platform itself. and there is also a verification process attached here. So the different uh, admins and faculty members, they can verify the certificates from here. Then we have various groups here. This group features is made so that uh, different people can talk with other people with similar interests. Here we have different kinds of restrictions, like some groups can be open to the entire university, and some can be open for particular school or particular department also. Similarly, it can be open for students and alumni, or maybe students and faculty, or only for students, only for alumni. These kinds of restrictions are also here. So this way we have a very highly flexible types of groups that different students can make, and people can join and make a community and discuss things that are both productive for their academic purpose, for their own growth, as well as for entertainment also. Different kinds of hobby groups and music and art and different kinds of groups can be made here. So it's very good for students' activity and their interaction, as well as we can have a record about it, and we can track the students' involvement in various extracurricular activities. Then we have the alumni launch. This is a special feature for alumni itself. So here the alumni can have their different year-wise groups to talk with people who graduated in the same year. Most of them are friends. So this is a very good thing. Then the department alumni group to talk with the various juniors and seniors from the same department. And then interest groups for various similar interests. So this kinds of things, this is the feature for the alumni. This is to attract alumni and keep them involved in our app. So, as everyone knows, alumni are very beneficial for the students. So, this is one of the features that we have made for alumni. After that, we have the Student Connect. So, in Student Connect, it's a student alumni forum. So, students can give their queries, or directly alumni can do ask me anything session. So for any queries, alumni will have an option to directly reply on the post here itself, or directly message them to talk with them. These kinds of features are there to promote the students' activity, students' involvement, and to give them a place to access information and take guidance from their seniors. Then the communities that we have made here, it's an mixed thing here. Students and alumni can interact with each other. It's pretty much similar to this alumni groups, but yeah, this is for both of them, not limited to alumni. Then in the opportunities section, next we have the various kinds of jobs and internship opportunities that the alumni are able to share with their juniors. So this will be helpful for both alumni who are in maybe recruitment post in their companies, or maybe running their own companies, own businesses. So it would be helpful for the alumni as well as for the students who are actively looking for new jobs and placements. So this is one of the feature that we have developed for our app. And next we have an support system for the alumni to support existing events through sponsorships and funds and maybe guidance and talks, whatever is required. So this is a support platform for alumni to support their alma mater. They can also support and donate to various kinds of funds or maybe new development projects. So this is one of the things that we are working on. Then next we have a networking opportunity to do a one-on-one networking. So here we have an like both peer-to-peer connections, as well as connecting with your alumni, as well as connecting with your faculty or maybe other stakeholders of the university. So this is a networking platform we have made for uh, which is limited to this university. So it's currently working under the university network university workspace. There's another networking option in our global workspace also. It would be open to everyone, but this part is specifically for students. So this is one of the features that we have developed. After this, we have this club section. So these clubs are made for various club activities. So all the clubs demonstration means directly quick access can be shown here, because some clubs can be under different departments, and some can be official, some can be not official. So all kinds of clubs and societies can be displayed in one place, and one can view and join whatever things they are interested in. Then the messaging feature, it's as everyone knows, simple direct messages or group messages, the various kinds of groups for different communities or clubs or departments. So everything can be shown here in one place. So this messaging feature that we have developed. And then lastly, we have this achievements. So this is one of the key part of this platform that we are showing. So here everyone can receive different certificates that they have gathered from maybe academic certificates from various events and exploration and outside some certification courses. So here all the students' data can be gathered in a single place and every data will be available for the students to view and get add new things to get verified. And similarly, we will have a different platform for the faculties and admins to look into the collaborative data. They can get the data of various kinds of events that have happened, various activities, and all the students' achievements, new achievements. They can get a proper reporting of all those things, and it can also be helpful for the various report submission in NIRF and NAC, AICT, and various other evaluators. So this is one of our key features that we have developed for this. Then we have the profile here. Profile, we can add our skills and interests. That should be helpful for the networking section or maybe for the job opportunities. So this kinds of things that we have developed. So overall, we have developed and fully like it is a one-stop solution for all the needs any students or faculties or alumni have regarding their institutions. We have also made a customized feature, so every entity's pages and every entity's features can be customized and new features can be added to them. So if they have a specific requirement for maybe their hostel, maybe some department, so for some clubs, everything can be customized and added here. So this is a very flexible app that we are developing, and it would also have a good user interface and user experience so that they are motivated to keep using this app. If an app is limited to a certain feature, people won't be means willing to use it again and again. But with the different features that we have developed and the gamification process that we are integrating in it, it would improve the user engagement there, and it would help us and ease the process of data collection, and it will increase the adaptability. So this was the basic of our app. It's still under the development process, and we are fine-tuning a lot of things and adding new features. And hopefully, it will develop into a good platform that would be used all over India and even abroad. So that was about the thing that we're developing. And thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. Thank you very much.